Hello, hi, my name is Cynthia De Jesus, and I'll be giving a little overview on my fall prevention teaching module, which will be beneficial for students and for unit staff members. The following objectives will be why falls are a safety concern, the risk factors for falls, patients at risk for the falls, and what are the preventative measures for falls. So these readings will give a lot of information on fall prevention, and which will also help meet these objectives as far as the risk of falls, evidence-based interventions to help prevent these falls, and also case reviews on inpatient falls. The content will include a narrative PowerPoint that will include information on why falls are a problem, those at risk, what can happen, and information on the 4 Ps, including pain, potty, position, and possession, which many units are using. And there is a link to the narrative presentation and this videos. There are 3 videos included, which the first 2 will include information on fall prevention. The second one is very fun. And the third one gives you information on how to safely get someone off the floor. And this will also be helpful for the activities coming up. The activities will include a discussion on preventative measures, including hip protectors, floor mats, alarms, frequent rounding. A lot of that information is on the readings and the videos. The first technology will be a high fidelity simulation. The patient will be Mr. Falls, which will be on the floor, and then each student will have to be either an RN, LPN, or a CNA. They will all need to know what they have to do, but there will be some cueing during the simulation as far as the assessment, who needs to make the phone call to the doctor. They need to know about neuro checks, signs and symptoms of a fracture, information on range of motion, vital signs, who needs to take vital signs. So there will be some cueing during the simulation. After the simulation, there will be debriefing as to what went wrong and what went well during the simulation. The educator will then ask the students as to what needed to be assessed, who was responsible for what, and how can they prevent this fall from happening again. So to evaluate the learning, the students will be playing Jeopardy through whiteboard interaction. They'll be separated into groups, and then the instructor will need to question them on things from the simulation activity, the videos, and the readings. Afterwards, there will be a case study with group discussion, and the case study will include a history, age, the fall itself, and then they would have to, figure out the assessment skills and fall prevention interventions. Afterwards, the instructor would ask for feedback on what was learned. Did any of the students have any questions on the learning? And then the instructor would also ask for any suggestions on what can be improved. So to conclude this, I want to mention that the objectives were met, and that if you guys have any suggestions on improving this module, I would gladly appreciate it. So I want to thank you all and talk to you soon. Bye.